Today, we will be doing a CourseReel review and demo walkthrough. With CourseReel, you are able to create profitable video courses simply by speaking, or by reusing old content within minutes. CourseReel is a cloud-based video course creation app that turns your voice, old videos, or even text, into a proper video with slides, text, design, voiceover and more, automatically added and ready to customize in minutes. It allows you to create a profitable video course without being an expert, using your own or other people's content. Before we get started with the CourseReel review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell, so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the CourseReel review and demo walkthrough.
Welcome to CourseReel. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how you can use CourseReel to create video sales letter, video courses, video ads, or pretty much any kind of video using just your voice by repurposing a different video or an audio file, or just copy pasting some text. Now there are three ways to create different kind of videos using CourseReel. The first one is write and create, which is where you copy paste your script or text that you have, and CourseReel will convert that text into different slides, add images and videos, load up the editor, letting you customize it the way you want. The second one is where you upload an audio or a video file. Now imagine if you go for a jog, record some audio on your mobile phone, and upload that audio file on CourseReel. CourseReel will extract the content of that audio file, transcribe it, convert those into different sentences, break them down, create slides, add images, video, everything on autopilot, and then you can customize the video you want. Same way, if you upload a video file, it's going to extract the audio and do the same thing. The third and final way is to record an audio, which is where you click on this little icon, record some audio, and save it. And once that is done, it's going to convert that audio into transcription, break it into different sentences, and create video for you. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Now, there are a few other things that you need to see. There's a project tab where you can see all the projects that you have created, awaiting customization, rendering failed, rendering done, ready to download, other things. Then we have the integration tab where you can connect your Facebook, YouTube, Sybase, ScriptReel, TrimReel, LiveReel account. Then we have the support section where you can access all the training and tutorials. You don't need to worry about the billing since you are part of our LTD deal. Now let's create a video. There are three ways, like I said. Let's try and copy paste, but let's try and create one by recording audio. So I'm going to click on record audio and click on this little icon here, and then I'm going to speak a few sentences. This is a course video creator software which is based on cloud, and I can easily speak to it and it will transcribe my voice and convert that into text, which it will automatically convert into a video for me. Now, since I'm done, I'm just going to click on done. It's going to record, save the file, upload it, and start transcribing it automatically. Right here, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to pick whichever language I was using, so I'm going to stick to US English, click on save, and that's about it. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to start transcribing, and in about a minute or so, we can edit this just like this. It's going to have an edit icon here, and we can edit it and start editing and creating our video. Now, as you can see, it's done with the transcription. All I have to do is click on edit up here, and it's going to take me to the editor page. Now this is the audio that it transcribed for me. I can listen to the audio if I wanted. This is a course video creator software which is based on cloud, and I can easily speak to it. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Now, what do you see is since it was just one sentence, it was taken into account as just one sentence, but you can convert it later into multiple sentences. So I'm back on the dashboard. Let's create a video with more sentences. Now I'm going to copy paste a script to create a video. So I'm going to click on write and create, and I'm going to give it a title. Right click, paste the script that I had. So I have some simple sentences. Now I want 3, 6, 7, 8 different sentences, 8 different slides, right? So how am I going to do that? I'm going to click on Control and Enter at the end of every sentence. Now, it is Control and Enter for Windows and Control and Enter for Mac. It's not Command and Enter. It's always Control and Enter. for any kind of device that you're using. This differentiates how many slides I want. So we're going to have that 8 slides. I'm going to click on create, give it a couple of minutes. The project is saved. As you can see the editor and render option. So I'm going to go to editor here. And as you can see, it has created all these slides for me with different videos, some with just basic colors, some with have videos. And now I can go ahead and customize them the way I want. I can preview the entire video the way I want. I can put my mouse over here and the end of each slide, and I can decide how long I want the video to be, or this slide to be. I can increase it, can decrease it. Each slide can be different, right? I can change the text. I can add more text. I can customize the text. I can change the text color, the background. I can add different images. I can change the background color to whatever I want. I can add an image. I can even add a video. Let's say if I want to add a video about artificial intelligence, click on search real quick and just mouse over on all these videos. I can preview what the video is. And if I click on it, that video will be added on this slide. I can go back to media if I want to add a different image or something on this one. As you can see, there is some text. I'm just going to double click it and I can write whatever text I want. I can drag this text to wherever I want. I can add more text if I wanted. I can search video clips and images. Let's say, and I can add that on top of this video. I can go ahead on the audio section. I can pick from all these different audio files, search from them. I can record my own voiceover, use my own voiceover, upload my own video. There's so many options. And if I want to add any music, I can just drag and drop it over here on this track. Now I can add motion, animation to the text. I can add transitions, different kind of transition that you will be able to see here in between any of these slides, right? Go back to text. I can customize the text as I want, background color, text color, whatever I want. Once I'm done editing the way I want, I have full control over the editor. I'm just going to click on render and the video will start rendering and will be ready for me to download within minutes. So it's literally that easy to create videos using CourseReel.
Thank you for watching this CourseReel review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about CourseReel, click the link in the description below.